Alright, this is a mic test comparison. Let's start off with the Corsair headset. Alright, we got the Corsair headset popping. Alright, now let's go over to the FIFINE microphone. Yeah, that's how we do up in here. Okay, but for real though, let's take this seriously. This is a serious video. Okay. We're gonna switch back and forth. Let's do some mids. Hey, how's it going? This is my voice. This is how I talk. On a normal basis. Every day, this is how I speak. I am normal. Hi, this is how I talk. On a normal basis. Every day, this is how I speak. I am normal. Alright. Let's go back to this one. Hi, my name is Jeff Steve. 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 Let's go back and forth between the headsets. Let's see how they sound up here. Let's go up here. Let's go up here. Let's go up here. Okay, bring it back low. Bring it back low. Bring it back low. Bring it back low. Oh, ho, ho. Bring it back low. Bring it back high, bring it up high. Let's see how they sound when I talk like this. Oh my god, I sound like a crazy person. But this is how I would speak ordinarily. So let's just do that. Hi, I am Jeff Steve. Nice to meet you. Hi, I am Jeff Steve. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Jeff Steve. Nice to meet you, person. Hello, person. My name is Jeff Steve. We should be friends together, you and me. I think you and me could be friends for the best of times. Let's do that on today, this day of Thursday. Okay, let's be friends, you and I. Maybe? Yes, friends? No friends? Yes, friends? Okay, let's just keep... I think that's where we should end it. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends.